Global citizenship. Being a citizen means much more than just living somewhere. It's all about being involved with your community and the people around you. But as the world becomes more and more interconnected, we can see how actions in one place affect people on the other side of the planet. For this reason, we must do our best not only for the people in our country, but for everyone around the world. So, what can we do to become global citizens? We can take actions to protect the environment. For example, we can recycle our waste or plant some trees in the local park. We can also raise money for charities that help people in need in other countries to buy food and medicine. Instead of throwing away things we don't want, we can donate clothing, toys, and appliances to charities. Finally, we can volunteer with a local group to make a positive change in our community. By taking small steps like these, we can become more responsible citizens and help make our world a better place.